So students, let us solve the mental ability now. So students, let us see the A7 paper answers. Okay, so here first is C, second is D, third is C, fourth is C. Now fifth is C here, sixth is D, seventh is A, eighth is C, ninth is C, 10th is B, 11th is B, 12th is B, 13th is C, 14th is A or B, but it should be what? It should be B only. Okay, so if you have marked by mistake A, that is not B. Okay, so that should not be, so it should be maximum A only and B only, right? Yes. Okay, next 15th is A, 16th is A, and 17th is A, 18th is A, 19th is B, 20 is A, 21 is D, 22 is B, 23 is D, 24 is D, 25 is C, 26 is B, 27 is D, 28 is B, 29 is C, 30 is A, 31 is A, 32 is A, 33 is A, 34 is D, 35 is C, 36 is B, 37 is D, 38 is B, 39 is D, 40 is D. These are the answers for mental ability. Now let us solve the maths. So students, what is the 41 question? Write the name of the angle formed between the hands of the clock when time is 7:45. So time is 7:45 means how it will look like? That is, this is there. So here 6 o'clock, 7 o'clock and 8 o'clock, then 9 o'clock. So 7:45 means 45 minutes means it will be at 9 o'clock, 45 minute hand. And hour hand will be after 9, that is after 7. Nearly it will be near 8. So what is this angle? This angle is, this is the hour hand. Okay, this angle is acute, this angle is acute, smaller than 90, so that is the acute angle formation, right? Very easy. So see here in 42 question, which of the following numeral is correct? Roman number is correct, we have to see. So we can't write like this. This is 12 and this is 40. 40 plus 12, 52. We don't write like this. That is wrong. Here it is 40. This is 11. 40 plus 11, 51. We don't write like this. This should have been correctly what? That is, if you see 11, this is 40. So that is 51 here. 51 means Li we write. This 5 here. Vx we don't write like this. We directly write just V and X. That is not correct. Here it is 52, right? So that is 90, 100, 102. So 102 we write it as CII directly, right? Yes. So these are all wrong. B, C, D are wrong. So which is correct? Option A, LIV, that is L4. Option A is correct. Understand? That is how much? That is 54 here. Right? L means 50 and 4 here. So 54 is correct. So here a line that extends infinitely in both direction. So you may have studied in your school also. That is, line is what? We write like this. Arrow mark on both sides. Right? So it means what? It can extend both sides. It can extend both sides. So we say it as line, option A, C. So both sides it will extend. That is the option C. Line is, that is what? One dimensional figure extending in both the sides. Understand? So see here, next question is also easy. 44. What is the question? I am a prime number. If you add 5 to me, I become divisible by 8. So 7 is a prime number. Yes. So if you add 5, it will become 12. is it in 8 table? No. Option B, if you add 5 it will become 18, it will not come in 8 table. It is divisible by 8, right? Means it should come in 8 table. So 11 plus 5 is how much? 16. 8 2s are 16, this will come in 8 table. 8 2s are 16, that is why answer is option C here, right? So that is what they have given. I am a prime number if you add 5. So what you have to do? You have to add 5 and check divisible by 8, right? That is very easy. So see here, 45 question is also easy. What? So find the number of multiples of 17 less than 200. Multiples means what we have to do? Multiply. So if you multiply 17 table, that is 17 tens are till 17 tens are 170, 17 11s is 187, 17 12s is 204. This will go more than 200. So that is why not possible. So we have to take till 11s are. So 11 is the answer. Or what you can do? You divide 200 divided by 17. If you divide, what answer will come? That is, let's divide it. 17 ones are 17, 17 ones are 17. How much will be remaining? Yes, it is 3 will be remaining. It is 17 ones are 17. So remaining is 13. You don't take that. That is point will come. So point means don't take that. So 11 is the answer. Option B. Understand? You can divide or you can just directly multiply and find, because this is a smaller number. So see here students, 46 question. What is the question? Simplify this, right? That is 325.25 minus 12.52 minus 1.25 minus 5.25, right? So we can do one by one. Minus it. That is 325 minus 325.25 minus 12.25, 52. So if you minus, you will get 112.73. Next minus 1.25, 1.25, you will get 311.48. Next minus 5.25. So 311.48 minus 5.25. If you do, you will get answer how much? 306. Or separately, total how many you have to minus? That is 3 numbers you have to minus. First add them all, or you can do like this. That is, first add them all the minuses. That is 12.52, 1.25, 5.25. If you add, you will get 19.02. Now that 19.02 you have to minus from 325. So if you minus it, that answer you will get same. You can do both the ways. Any way, both will be same answer. Whichever is easy, you do it. Understood? So next 47 question, right? So we just have to simplify this. 0.1 plus 1.2 into 6 plus 15.03, right? 15 into 0.3. So what will be the answer? 0.1 plus 12 6 are 72. So 7.2 plus 15 3 are 45. 1 point is there. So 4.1, right? So now we just have to add them, right? So what will be the answer? 0.1, 7.2, 4.5. Answer will be 11.8. Option is option C, right? Very easy. So here next let us go to 48 question. What is the question? Average of 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. This is continuous number. That is pattern. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Continuous pattern. 2, 2 we are adding. How many we are adding? We are adding 2, 2. Right? Yes? Okay, so if you add just 2, 2, you will get this. So that is why what we have to do? We have to take the middle number. Middle number, that is 8 is the middle number. Answer option B. Or we can take first number plus last number. First number is 2. Last number is 14. Divided by 2. 14 plus 2, 16 by 2 is 8 answer. Right? Option B here. Very easy. Got it? So see here students, once again 49. The rectangular pool of 80 meter length and 4 meter width is covered by square tiles of side 20 centimeter each. Find the number of tiles used to cover this pool. So length is 80 meter, breadth is 4 meter, right? So here tile we cover. So this is the pool, means this is the tile, smaller tile. That is the tile is square tile. So side is how much? 20 centimeter. Side is here 20 centimeter. This is in centimeter now. Side is in centimeter. This also we have to convert into centimeter. Breadth is 4 meter. Meter means 1 meter means 100. 4 meter means 400. 4 into 100. Now 80 meter. 80 into 100. that is 3 zeros, 8000 centimeter here. So how do we find number of tiles? We have to divide the pool area, whichever is the bigger one we have to take in the numerator, that is the pool, and then whichever is the smaller we have to take the tile, that is in the new denominator. So pool area, length into breadth, length is 8000, breadth is 400, so 8000 into 400 divided by tile area, that is, it is a square, so side into side, that is 20 into 20. Now cancellation, here 1 0, here 1 0, red one, it is 2 zeros, here from 400 2 zeros cancel. Now green, 2 2s are 4 here, so here 4 is there, that 4 cancels, so what is remaining? 8000. 8000 tiles will be required. How many tiles will be required? 8000, option B here. So number of tiles, always remember areas we have to divide, that is the bigger area, that is the pool, divided by smaller area, that is the tile. Tile is square, square side is, how do you find? That is area side into side here, okay, and unit should be same, remember that, okay. Centimeter means you have to convert the length and breadth into centimeter only, okay. So do like this. So see here students, next what, that is 50 question. 50 question is very easy. What, the quotient is given, what, 215, divisor is given 104 and remainder is given 45. Find the dividend. How do you find the dividend? Dividend formula we already know in the division. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Divisor is 104. 104 into quotient is 215. So 104 into 215 plus remainder. Remainder is 45. You have to add 45 here. So 104 into 215 is 22,360 plus 45. If you do, you will get 22,405. So that is answer is option C here. Very easy, right? That is the answer, okay. Next 51. What is the equivalent decimal of 15 by 12? Equivalent decimal of 15 by 12 means divide with 12. 15 by 12 is there, divide with 12. So 12 ones are 12. 3 will be remaining from 15 here. So it will become 30 after taking point. Next 12 twos are 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. Now you take 0 because point is there. 12 fives are 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. So 1.25. Answer will be option A here. Very easy, right? So see here, 52 question. What is the question here? Which of the following is the largest fraction? Directly you can tell answer, right? So this is the mixed fraction, 6 and, so this is 6 more than 6, it will be 6 point. So that is the answer, largest. Here 7 by 8 means it is improper, less than 1, right? This is also proper, that is less than 1. This is also proper, less than 1. So it is 6. 6 is more, that is the answer, that is the largest, option A, right? Very easy, isn't it? So see here 53 question students. So what is the question here? An item was purchased for 1620 and sold at 2600 after spending 500 on transportation. So here purchase is 1620 and transportation is 500. Total will be how much? 12, that is 2120, that is 2120. Now sold at 2600. So profit will be just minus it, right? Selling price minus cost price. 2600 minus 1220 will be 480. So answer is option B here, right? That is the answer. Now 54. The sum of all factors of 18. What are the factors of 18? 1 18s are. Now 2 9s are. 3 6s are 18. Then after that there are no factors. So add them. 1 plus 18 19. 19 plus 2 21. 21 plus 9 30. 30 plus 3 33. 33 plus 6 39. So answer is option A here, right? Very easy. Okay now. So see here 56 question. The total weight of apple, mango and orange is 50.062 kg. If apple and mango weigh 6.27 and 29.53 kg respectively, find the weight of the orange. So total all the three fruits are 50 kg. Total is 50.062 kg. Now apple is first. Apple is how much? 6.27 kg here. And next Mango is 29.53 kg. If you add them mango and apple, you will get 35.80 kg. Now to find the orange, we have to minus from the total. The remaining will be orange. So 50 minus 062, total minus, that is orange and that is mango and apple. So minus 35.80. If you do, orange will come. Orange is how much? 14.262. So that is option B here, right? So see here, let's go next question, that is 57. What is the question? That is, how many line segments are there? Line segment means part of the line. What? They are part of the line. Line segment means part of line, okay, that is of fixed length. So here in this line, full line, how many parts we can make? Let us see here. So here A, B, C, D is there, right? A to B 1, B to C, then C to D 1, 2, 3. After that A to C, then fourth one. Next B to D, fifth one. Next A to D full, seventh one. That is fifth one, then sixth one. So how many total parts we can make? That is, the line segments are there. That is 6 line segments are there. That is option B here. Understood? How to do? That is, we have to check how many parts, that is the fixed length, are there. So points are there. Between the points we have to take from A to B first, next B to C second, next C to D third, then A to C, right? Next B to D here, next A to D, right? These between the points we have to check. Understood? Next 58 question, right? So what is the 58 question? Arrange the given fraction in ascending order. Ascending means increasing order. That are 1 by 2, 3 by 4, 2 by 3. 1 by 2 means how much it is? Half means you go with option wise, that is 2, 50. You multiply with 100 and find the answer. 2 5s are 10 and 0, 50 answer. Now if you divide with 4, it will be 4 2s are 8, 2 will be remaining, 4 5s are 20, 25 will come, 3 25s is how much? 75 answer. Here 3, how much? 3 3s are 9, 1 will be remaining, 30, 10 it will be, 3 3s are 9 again, 1 will be remaining, 3 3s are 9, 33 it will come, 33.33. So 2 into 33 will be 66.66. Now ascending means increasing order, right? So here first smallest is 50, that is 1 by 2. First 1 by 2 will come. Next after that what? 66.66, that is 2 by 3 will come. After that 75, that is 3 by 4 will come, right? So this should be the order, but there is no answer in the option. That is why no answer. This is a grace answer. Okay? Okay now? Okay, next question 59, right? What is the question here? So what they are telling, how many total students has selected in JNV and Sainik school? JNV how many? 25 students, right? And Sainik how many students are selected? That is, you just have to add them. JNV 25, Sainik 40. So 25 plus 40 is how much? 65. Answer option is option B here. Very easy question, right? Now 60 question. What is the question? Mark the price of the table is 3500. So here 60 question, students. What is the question? The marked price of the table is 3500. Marked price means that is on the packet. You may have seen biscuit packet or anything, right? Or packets. On the packets there will be price, right? So packet price, or you say it as MRP rate, that is the marked price 3500 rupees. On your dress there will be dress, right? So dress will have MRP, but you will not take at MRP, you will ask him discount your dress, right? So your dress is 3500 rupees. So how much discount is given? Offer 1/5 discount. 1/5 means we have to find 1/5 of this price, that is the 3500. So 5 7s are 35. So 2 zeros as it is. 700 is the discount. So if you take discount from the less, it is less, right? Discount means less. So from 3500 discount is 700 means less, right? So dress will be for, if you minus it will be 2800. Now dress you will get at 2800 after 700 is less, that is the discount. Understood how to do? This is how you have to do. So now students, this is how we have to do. Practice maths again and again. These are easy questions, just we have to remember. Practice and remember. You have to repeat it 2-3 times revision, then only you will be remembering. Okay, let's go next now, that is English. So passage 1 answers are, these are the answers. 61 is B, 62 is C, 63 is B, 64 is A, 65 is B. Okay, good. Next passage 2, let us see the answer. 66 is C, 67 is C, 68 is B, 69 is B, 70 is C. Now passage 3. So here 71 is A, B, 72 is B, 73 is C, 74 is C, 75 is B. Next passage 4. 76 is A, that is B, 77 is C, 79 is B, 80 is B, and 78 is also B here. Okay, these are the answers for the passages. So practice everyone and watch this video and do the revision. All the best for your exams.